Hi, all. I'm Professor Tina Good, and I just want to quickly go over our last week of assignments for the summer session number 2. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so that we can talk about those assignments. Essentially, we are wrapping up our discussion on hold on just a second. We are wrapping up our discussion on Real Women Have Curves. And so let's just go over that real quickly. Okay. So we already had our optional Zoom session this week, and you submitted answers to the quiz last week on Act number 1. So I have posted a video with the answers to that quiz that you can review. I have already graded all of those quizzes. In other classes that are a full semester long, I also asked them to take a video on Act number 2. But I didn't ask you to do that, but I have already created a video on that, which I think you will find useful, especially as you are working on your writing assignment that is due this week. So I have posted that video as well. And then I have also posted a video on some final thoughts that I thought you might find useful when thinking about the play. Now, remember, guys, when you're doing your writing assignment, that you can only write about the play, all right? You cannot write about the movie. And so what I'm asking you to do is do a character analysis of Rosalie, right? She's a minor character in our play, but yet a very important character. And I want you to look at her and consider whether or not you think she is a round or flat character. You're going to look at her climactic moment, which of course is when she passes out. And do you think that she significantly changes after that enough to make her a round character? Or do you think that she does not change as a result of that climactic moment, which is equally important because generally, if you have a climactic moment, you are supposed to change. So if you don't, that is suggesting something important as well. Okay, so as you're, discussing your character of Rosalie, if you think that she's a flat character, what is it that you think that she's representing? Why is she there, and what does her storyline suggest to us in the text, and how does it help us understand the play? And you are looking at her character as representative of something or a stereotype of something. If you believe that she's a round character, then what you're going to want to examine is her change, right? What is her change, and how does that change help us understand the play? Okay, so again, use all the strategies that you've learned in this session. Again, it is only a two pages, but go ahead and use your TIEIA strategies, use your introduction strategies, and see if you can get an understanding of Rosalie and how she contributes to our understanding of the play. That is the only thing that you have due this week. If you are opting to do a revision of your essay, that will be due by next Wednesday. And then that will be it for this class. There will be no other assignments due next week unless you are opting to do the revision of the essay. So we are winding down. I hope that you have enjoyed this class, and I will send out one final video next week to let you know about when grades are being posted and anything else that I need to say to you as we wrap up this 6-week, very short session. Okay, so have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.